There's a new transfer student, and she's cute. Look, she's right there.
Looks like she needs assistance.
I'm not ready to be that.
Hi, I'm Karen. Could you show me to my class? I'm new.
Tight. I'm Eddie. I'll show you where the good bathroom is, too. All the graffiti is really positive.
Yeah.
How'd it go with the new girl?
I can't tell if she likes me.
Just give it the soda test.
Crack open a can, take a sip, and offer her some.
If she goes lift the can instead of pointing from above,
Then she definitely likes you.